Welcome to the dojo. This is where we find enlightenment right here. Also, you get a pretty good workout and we play a little ping pong once in a while. But today, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this special punching thing right here that we just got. It's gonna be cool. Check it out. All right, so if you look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little punching pads. And in the center, you've got the music up and down, you got speeds, you got mode, and you got on and off. We're gonna show you guys how to use this bad boy right now. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put these gloves that come with it. So you get these gloves, just gotta slide them in. This is, to kind of protect your hands. This one here, I think I can just smush my hand in. All right, so there we are. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to turn it on. Hang on. You gotta push this and hold it. All right, then it comes on, you see how it lights up? So now it's ready to go, it's position 1. And what I gotta do is I gotta punch these, right? I'm alternating hands right now. I don't know what this is gonna do to the wall. It could, now you don't really need to use these. I mean, I could do it. If you miss, it makes a funny noise. Watch, I'll miss. And that's basically how you do it. So come closer, look. So it's playing music. If I want to increase the music, I press here. 25, I want to go down. Go like that. If you want to change the speed, you can go like that. Then you got to do it faster. If I miss, it makes that noise. And then if you turn it off, well, it's got modes too. So if we change it, it's like a different mode. Pretty easy. Eye-hand coordination. All right, let's turn it off. That's how you do it. Peace out.